Guys, my garden hoses continue to fail without any warning, and so today we're still looking for a good garden hose. The last two ones I got lasted almost no time at all. This one has good reviews. It's a metal, stainless steel, whatever, garden hose. We're gonna get this out and look at it and see if this works any better than the last two because they fell apart instantly. The quest for a garden hose that actually works is still going on. My pool people did not tell me that the hose that's out there is absolute garbage and it's leaking from everywhere. And it was one of those blue hoses that is supposed to be stretchy and then it goes down into a small bowl. So we have this metal garden hose that we are going to be taking out of the box right now and looking at. It says it's stainless steel, 50 foot, made of 304, PVC inner tube, top grade connectors, and a leak-proof gasket. Same thing on the side there. It does say the same exact thing. And on the back, it tells you a little bit more info. It weighs 10 pounds. It's a 3/8 inch inner diameter, 5/8 outer, good to minus 10 degrees and up to 122, and compatible with 3/4 inch faucets. Back in the Supercar Street Racing dining room, we have the stainless steel garden hose now, and it is going to come out of the box and break right through the top of my table. But before we do that, there is supposed to also be some other included accessories with this, but here it is, right out of the bag. It has a Ziploc bag around it. Let's get it out of that, and right away we have a warranty card, which probably will be worthless to us. Free returns if there is no deliberate damage. There is a code right there to return it, and inside of this nice envelope there's a warranty card, and let's see what that says. So you're supposed to just be able to scan this QR code and go activate the warranty. We will do that later. And inside of the box we do see a brand new spray nozzle. That's nice. And removing the hose from the box, we are left with this nice metal hose with these nice copper ends with some reinforced rubber there. Just a normal spray nozzle is all we have. Let's get this thing outside, get it deployed, and get my pool people happy. Checking the old hose, you can see that's what happens. It sprays right out of here. So we're gonna let the pressure run out of that one and disconnect it and get the other hose. Okay, so this feeds through. Here's our hose pot. No leaks. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and test our new hose out. Okay, we did successfully use this hose with no issues. We're going to go ahead and wrap it back up into the pot. No problem. Now this can be inserted into the trash can. Alright guys, inside of this box sits a 100-foot hose, metal hose, to replace the one that died on the side. So far, these hoses are absolutely terrible. I have not had one that lasted more than a couple of months if you use them. Further, if you do not let the pressure out every single time, they last less than that. So we're going to get this hose out today. Also install the hose reel back on the side of the house, and we're going to do that right now. I love this. I opened this. I had to put it online, so the thing's already open, obviously, out of the box, but the last hose you will ever buy, I doubt that. Always hype, never true. This is the third hose I've bought for this side of the place. Let's see what happens.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.
Okay, I replaced the garden hose reel, rehung the hanger, and the valve is leaking directly from the stem. That valve is shot. I don't know if it's going to be able to be disconnected from the house. If it doesn't, we'll probably have to cut that PVC or cut the stucco and get a new valve installed. So I'll probably, I'm not going to deal with that. I might just try to replace that thing, turn the water off and do that, but I'm not doing the whole cut the stucco thing. So we'll see, but I do need to water the grass a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Got him! Oh!
Always pick your tools up or they won't be there the next time. Supercar Street Racing and Brad back in the 4K production studio, and we are so happy to have you with us today. The channel's making such good progress, and all we can say is thank you for your support. Always like and subscribe, and today we have this metal garden hose as you see here on your screen. Now this is probably the 5th or 6th hose that I have tried because all the other expandable hoses have failed over a certain amount of time. And this hose is the first one that I tried that is metal. And now you can see right in front of you, this is a 100-foot hose for $59. It has a $10 coupon available for it. Now I did buy 2 different brands of hose for this video. The first hose you saw was a different brand than this one, but this is so funny. This is RC Fun Kid or RC Funkid. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's funny names nevertheless. And Amazon always has the best names in the world. But right here today, right now, you see that this has a 4.6 star review on Amazon. Go ahead and click through the link in my description if you want to try the metal hose. I'm going to keep this hose for a while and see how it does and then get back to you guys with an update. Because I've replaced about 5 of these now. I've tried the plastic ones and they kind of just like fell apart. They might be plastic or they might be rubber or a combination of both. But yeah, the rubber ones just kind of expanded and started peeling apart and eventually started leaking. So now we have the metal hose and we can tell you how we do after a couple of months. Guys, please like and subscribe and always look in the description of the video and order anything from Amazon you want through any of my links. You don't have to order what's in the video. Just clicking through my links actually gives me a little bit of credit if you buy anything from Amazon. For instance, this hose right here, if you would go ahead and order that through my link, I would be super grateful. And looking at them, they have a 4.6 star review. Out of 3,000 ratings, that is not bad. And you can see right here and right now is the video for the hose. We'll go ahead and drop that in at the end of the video if we can. And here's a good look at some of the features of the hose. You can see it has a thicker PVC inner tube according to the manufacturer, harder premium stainless steel, soft plastic protective cover, aluminum copper interface, 3/4 inch American screw connection, and it does have a tube pipe connection. Now guys, I would love to sit around here and talk about our hoses all day long, but I have to go play in the garden. I couldn't.